In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change all fonts at once in Figma, whether you're working on a design makeover or simply looking to maintain consistency across your file. This guide will make the process straightforward and efficient. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to head over to the Figma website. As a collaborative interface design tool, Figma is where all your design magic happens, offering a space to bring your creative ideas to life. So open up your browser and navigate to figma.com. Now that you're on the home page, you'll want to log in. Look for the login button. It's typically at the top right of the page. Enter your credentials, and once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your home page. This home page is essentially your launching pad for all the design projects you have underway. Next, make sure you're on the home page. This is where you can access all your recent files and drafts. From here, you'll want to open the specific file you're planning to work with. Just click on it, and it should open up in a new tab or window. Once inside your file, direct your attention to the menu and click on the Action button. This will bring up a variety of options that can be applied to your design elements. In this menu, you'll need to search for an option called Font Changer. This function is incredibly helpful, especially when dealing with large projects that require consistency in typography. You can usually find it by typing in Font Changer into the search bar within the Actions menu. Now, once Font Changer appears in your search results, click on it. This will activate the functionality and prepare it to be used in your project. With Font Changer activated, it's time to run it. There should be a Run button or a similar action command. Click on this to initiate the process. Keep in mind that this step will trigger the tool to scan through your file, identify all the text elements, and prepare them for font updates. Running Font Changer is the final step in this process. It's a simple tool that makes it possible to alter typography throughout your entire Figma file in one go, ensuring that all fonts are consistent without needing to change each one manually. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to change all the fonts in your Figma file at once. It's a great time saver and ensures consistency across the board for your design work. Be sure to try out different fonts to find the perfect one that fits the aesthetic of your project. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.